Hey guys, what's kicking? My name is Brandy and I like to make cool stuff. In this video today, I'm going to show you how I made this really cute, sparkly cyber alien choker. Let's do this. These are the tools you're going to need for your project. A ruler or cutting mat, jewelry pliers, ideally you'll want 2, a leather hole punch, spikes of your choosing, a rivet setter, a mallet to hammer in your rivets, little jump rings so you can attach your charm to your choker, an awl, a screwdriver, a crystal placing tool that has a wax tip, crystal rivets. I get mine from Cam Snaps because they fit into my table punch tool, but you can get them off of Amazon or other places. Little rhinestone crystals. I am using 2.8mm rhinestone crystals. A little piece of sandpaper, a pair of scissors, and some E6000 glue. And most importantly, you're going to need a leather belt. I am using a really pretty green skinny belt that I had lying around. The first thing you want to do is measure your neck. You can use the belt itself, you can use a shoelace, you can use a tape measure or something stringy. I know that my neck is slightly less than 13 inches, so that's where I'm going to place my first hole. Because my choker is going to have a charm, I want to find the center of my neck. So find the places where the belt is going to attach and then fold it. And that fold should be the center. From there, I'm going to mark the rest of the holes that I need. I'm marking my holes from the center outward. I'm going to place a spike at each inch. Now I'm placing my holes where my rivets are going to go. These I'm going to place in between each spike, and I want 2 of them. Because my rivets are tiny, I need smaller holes, so I'm going to use the smallest hole punch. If you're going to use a charm on your choker, you're going to need little O-ring charm attachment things. I forgot to show these in the beginning, but I will put a link below to what I'm using. Here I'm placing my rivets. I don't want to put the spikes in just yet because I still have to hammer the rivets in. Now I'm going to hammer in my rivets using a rivet setter and a little rubber mat and a washcloth just to buffer the noise. Now I'm placing my spikes. I decided to alternate longer spikes and shorter spikes. Time to screw in your spikes. So now it's time to work on my charm. Because the plastic is really smooth, I'm just scuffing it up a little bit with a piece of sandpaper so the glue adheres well. Now I'm taking my E6000 glue, putting a little bit on the charm, and then placing my crystals with the little wax tool. I forgot to film the part where I actually attach the charm to the choker. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your little charm and take an O-ring that's big enough to go through, and then attach it using your jewelry pliers. And we are finished with our cute little sparkly choker. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!